Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 502 Model College for Girls. Assalamu alaikum 9th class. I hope you are fine. Today is our 5th lecture of English. I am your teacher Miss Aisha Nazir. Our today's topic is adverb phrase. But before that we are going to revise adverb because we have done adverb in 8th class already. So let's get started with adverb. The definition of an adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb and adjective or another adverb. So it means that adverb is a word that qualifies or enhances the meaning of a verb, adjective or another adverb. Adverb is a part of speech and it plays a very important role. Let's see what is its role. Its role is to modify or qualify the meaning of a verb, adjective and another adverb. We have a few examples here. Example number 1. Some explorers eagerly chase adventure. In the given example, the highlighted word is eagerly, which is adverb. So in this example, we see some explorers chase adventure and the adverb used here is eagerly. So eagerly word enhances the meaning of verb here and the verb here is chase. So it means that adverb which enhances or qualifies the meaning of a verb. So here it modifies the meaning of verb chase. Some explorers visit amazingly beautiful places. In the second example, we have the same example almost. Some explorers visit amazingly beautiful places. In the given example, the highlighted word is adverb, which is amazingly. Amazingly means wonderfully. So this very word, which is adverb here, enhances or elaborates the meaning of adjective here. And adjective here is beautiful. So as in the definition we have studied right now, that adverb which enhances the meaning of a verb and adjective or another adverb. So here it enhances the meaning of adjective here. Okay. Example number 3. Others quite bravely explore the unknown places. Others quite bravely explore the unknown places. The third example you can see on your screen. The highlighted word is quiet. Adverb enhances the meaning of another adverb as well. So we can see adverb which is used here, bravely. Bravely is adverb used here. So it enhances the meaning of another adverb. So here quiet is adverb which enhances the meaning of another adverb. Quiet. So quiet is adverb which enhances the meaning of another adverb which is bravely. Adverb is a word that enhances the meaning of a verb, adjective and another adverb. You have seen in the given example that adverb modifies the meaning of verb, adjective and another adverb. Position of adverb. Adverb can appear in different positions in sentences. It means that adverb can place anywhere in the sentence. After the verb, before the verb, at the beginning. So these are the position of adverb. It can place after the verb, before the verb and at the beginning of a sentence. Position of adverb you can see after the verb. How it places after the verb of a sentence. The passengers boarded the bus eagerly. In this sentence, we have the verb which is boarded. So it enhances the meaning of verb and it is used at the end of the sentence, means after the verb. So the passenger boarded the bus. How they boarded the bus? This is the manner. Because many adverbs end with ly. And you make these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives as well. As we have studied in 8th class, how can we make adjectives? So in this example, the passenger boarded the bus eagerly. So eagerly is the manner before the verb. So it means adverb places before a verb as well. The passengers eagerly boarded the bus. So in this example, we have the verb boarded. So it enhances the meaning of a verb by placing this word before a word. Eagerly. The passenger eagerly boarded the bus. So adverb can place before a verb as well. At the beginning. At the beginning of a sentence, it can also be placed. Taking the same example, eagerly passengers boarded the bus. I have given you the same example, but I have put the adverbs in different places, after the verb, before the verb, and at the very beginning of a sentence. Eagerly passengers boarded the bus. So it means that position of adverb after the verb, before the verb, and at the beginning of the sentence. So our today's topic is adverb phrase. So let's revise what is a phrase. Phrase is a group of words that does make some sense but does not give a complete sense. It is a part of a sentence but it is not a sentence. Why we cannot call it a sentence? Because a sentence contains a subject and predicate. So phrase, group of words. Phrase is a group of words that does not have a subject and verb. These are words. We can also call it fragment. So adverb phrase, what is an adverb phrase? So let's see the definition of adverb phrase. It is a group of words that functions as adverb in a sentence. So it means that adverb is a word that enhances the meaning of a verb, adjective, and another word. So it means that adverb phrase is a group of words that function as adverb. So it means that adverb phrase would function as adverb. It would qualify the meaning of adjective, verb, or another adverb. Because the definition of adverb is it is a group of words that functions as adverb in a sentence. Okay? For example, Ali drives a car swiftly. Here in this sentence, the adverb which is used here, that is swiftly. Swiftly means very fast. So, as we know that mostly adverbs tell us how, where, or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place, or time of an action. We have also studied some words that end in ly are adverbs, but it does not happen always. Some words that end in ly are not always adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. And we have studied that in adjectives. For example, Ali was feeling very lonely. So here the word lonely is not an adverb. It is adjective. She was wearing a lovely dress. Okay. So the words end in ly does not mean that they are going to be adverb. Sometimes they are adverb, but not often. Okay. In the same way, it was a very lively party. So here lively does not mean that it is an adverb. Okay. So coming back to the topic, Ali drives a car swiftly. So here the manner in which Ali drives a car, we see how Ali drives a car swiftly. So the very word swiftly is adverb, adverb of manner. For example, Sana walks smoothly. So here smoothly is adverb. She writes neatly. The manner in which she writes something. So how she writes? She writes neatly. Sana walks elegantly. How Sana walks? Sana walks elegantly. This is the manner in which Sana walks. So this is adverb. Second sentence, Ali drives a car in a swift manner. Now you can see Ali drives a car in a swift manner. In the first example, Ali drives a car swiftly, and in the second example, we have changed it a little bit. Taking the same sentence, but I have changed it a little bit. Now you have to identify whether it is adverb, adjective, or adverb phrase or adjective phrase, what it is. Ali drives a car in a swift manner, because adverb also answers some questions like how, when, where something happens. So Ali drives a car. How Ali drives a car? In a swift manner. So adverb phrase, which is a group of words that function as adverb, it enhances the meaning of verb, adjective, or another adverb. So it tells how Ali drives a car. Ali drives a car in a swift manner. So swiftly here in first sentence is adverb, and in the second sentence how Ali drives a car in a swift manner, that is adverb phrase. Example number 3, the soldiers fought in a brave manner. Next example, the soldier fought bravely. We have the two examples taking the same sentence, but I have changed it a little bit so that the point could be made clear to you. The soldier fought. How the soldier fought? In a brave manner. So it enhances the meaning of verb. How the soldier fought? And we got the answer, that is in a brave manner. Sentence number 4. The soldiers fought bravely. How the soldier fought? That is bravely, which is adverb. Sentence number 5. She speaks in an eloquent way. How she speaks? She speaks in an eloquent way. It is an adverb phrase. She speaks eloquently. This is adverb. As we know that adverb phrase answers the question how long, how often, why, where, when, and to what extent. So they answer the following question: how long, how often, why, where, when, to what extent. Let's practice the following sentences. We have 5 sentences here. Sentence number 1. The boy ran with great speed. In the following examples, you have to identify adverb phrase. The boy ran with great speed. How did the boy run? And we get the answer, with great speed. So with great speed is adverb phrase. Sentence number 2. I am performing my job in a nice manner. How am I performing my job? In a nice manner. In a nice manner is adverb phrase. Sentence number 3. We discussed the matter in the meeting. Where did we discuss the matter? In the meeting. So in the meeting is adverb phrase. Sentence number 4. The prince lived on the top of the hill. Where did the prince live? On the top of the hill. On the top of the hill is adverb phrase. Sentence number 5. We reached college early in the morning. When did we reach college? Early in the morning. So early in the morning is adverb phrase, because adverb phrase also answered the question how, when, where something happened. Now you have the book exercise of unit number 8, stopping by words on a snowy evening. Come to page number 87. This is exercise B. I hope you have the pen or pencils with you so that you can complete the exercise. Replace each of the following underlined adverbs by adverb phrase. What you are supposed to do? You are supposed to replace the underlined word with adverb phrase. The underlined words are adverbs. You are supposed to replace them with adverb phrase. Okay? Sentence number 1. The pigeon flies swiftly. In the very first example, the underlined adverb is swiftly. And we have to replace this underlined adverb with adverb phrase. Answer you can see on your screen on the right side. With great speed. With great speed is adverb phrase. Sentence number 2. He built his house there. There is adverb because it tells us where. He built his house. Where did he build his house? There. So there is adverb of place, and we have to replace this adverb with adverb of phrase. At that place. Sentence number 3. He tried hard. Hard is adverb. We are going to replace it with adverb phrase with great effort. Sentence number 4. He spoke eloquently. How did he speak? Eloquently. This is the manner. How did he speak? Eloquently. So, we will replace this adverb with adverb phrase with eloquence. Sentence number 5. Did Sarah behave well? How did Sarah behave? Sarah behaved well. So, well is adverb here. We are going to replace it with adverb phrase with good manner. This is adverb phrase. I hope you have understood. So that's all for today. You have a little home assignment. Revise the whole topic, adverb phrase. Moreover, you are supposed to make at least 10 sentences of adverb phrase and adverb, 10 sentences of adverb phrase and 10 sentences of adverb. And you are supposed to do exercise C and D of unit number 8. And there is a homework activity for you. Do the following exercise. I have given you a few sentences. Sentence number 1. He swindled his friend in a cunning way. Sentence number 2. All people perform their duties with great courage. Sentence number 3. I shall return her money right after a month. Sentence number 4. Petrol increases at a fearful rates. Sentence number 5. Honesty is written on his face. These are the only 5 sentences. What you are supposed to do? You are supposed to identify adverb phrase here. You will underline the adverb phrase. This activity you are going to do it in your neat register. Okay students, I hope you have understood the topic and there is no query left. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.